people, 10 new cases have been reported in Karnataka in the latest, taking the total number of positive cases in the state to 191. 2 new cases have been reported from Bengaluru. Of course, it's a widespread notion that only people who are older, who are above the age of 60, are more vulnerable to contract the disease.
We're just going through a hard time, us and everyone else. Being careful is the only way out for us. In the end, we all will win because we are fighting together for a new dawn. House arrest. I had heard the word as a kid. Now I realize what it truly means. But it is also true that right now, during such times, staying at home is extremely necessary. This fight must go on by staying at home. In this fight, it's one for all and all for one. We have to wash and sanitize our hands repeatedly, and one day everything's gonna be fine. Otherwise, a lot of danger awaits us. You know, the way each one of us are within our homes, whether alone or with our families, is somehow, somewhere making us all become one. And that oneness has resulted in all of us to come together and tell the small story, work from home.
Hi, I'm Sipan. I've been living in Bharati City for about 3 years now. So it's almost 3 years now. I work in Quicker, which is just behind Manyata Tech Park. So it used to be a very short ride for me. For my wife, though, she works in Intellipat, which is quite far from here. It's almost near Kormangla. So the great thing that happened after COVID-19 is that now we get to work together and we don't have to travel so much. So you literally wake up at 8:59 and you're at your workplace by 9 o'clock. So that's a great thing. But jokes aside, sure, lifestyle has changed radically.
So I'll tell you how the changes have been made since COVID. So earlier I used to travel around 25 kilometers one way. So that's the thing. Here I'm saving the time when this work from home started. Okay. So
working has become a challenge as well as an ease. Ease because now I can focus on my work. I can take breaks as I want, and I can do it at my own pace.
The 3 hours that I'm getting in the morning, now I'm waking up a bit early and then doing the exercises. So I also get time to do the practice. I'm a musician as well, so I do my singing practice as well as some instruments that I started learning.
But the challenge is now coordination has become a nightmare. Network issues happen. See, it's great that we have this work from home, so our work is not getting impacted, but at the end of the day, infrastructure is not ready for it. So every time that I'm trying to call somebody, network issues are happening, or I'm working and the internet goes off, electricity, all those issues, right?
There are few difficulties, of course, we are facing. One of the difficulties that I usually face is because my manager is not in front of me, right? So if I need to communicate him regarding a pricing or regarding a course, it usually takes a little bit time to communicate to the customers. So that's the only challenge. Otherwise, I'm getting time to spend with my husband. What's better than that?
So not just work, I feel that a lot of things that have been impacted is my gaming and typewriter. So why do I say that is because it's impacted in a positive way. Earlier I used to crib a lot and cry a lot that I don't get time to myself and I need a break, I need a vacation. This has kind of worked like a downtime for me where I do work at my own pace, but I also get a lot of time with my typewriter here. So I write poems, like this one, and I play a lot of games, and it gives me a very good mindset while I'm working. So I feel free while I'm working. Challenges aside, I think this is the best thing that happened in this entire, nightmare of the disease. But I hope that we recover and we bounce back from it.
This is Vicky. So I've been staying here for a couple of years now. I've been working now in my organization where I have to work from home. So the good things are like I'm having more time to do something. If I have to do some things in my home like playing guitar or do music that I love to do, that I don't get the time. Even if I get time sometimes in the office in my 8 hours of work, but being at home, there's the advantage I get. I can, whenever after the meetings or something, I can sit with my guitar and I can play music. Bad things you can say, I stay with my roomie and we are two bachelors, we have to cook, and so these things we have to learn a lot of cookings because there is no way out, but we are managing. I think, let's see, all goes well.
Hi, my name is Ruchi Tripathi. I'm an IT professional and staying in Niku Homes for about 3 years now.
My name is Vinay. Basically, I'm a banker. Recently moved to the IT industry and started working from home from few days. And almost close to 3 years we are staying in Nico. Quite good society, what we are enjoying here.
If anybody wants homemade food, home-based food, they can order from Ghar Sa Khana, and that is how Ghar Sa Khana started for about 2 years. Yeah, it's about 2 years now that we are running this.
Basically, Ghar Sa Khana is exactly not a commercial establishment for us. So what we have planned, we are also needy for food here. We used to take supplies from someone else. So we got some idea. There are many family, they're not able to cook food. And then what we started supplying food to them also. And in a different way, we have to talk about Ghar Sa Khana. We are serving to the society in a different way.
So, like I said, that thought really came up well, and it's helping the society within Niku Homes, and people are liking the food as a home-based food.
Once we talk about COVID-19 with this lockdown, we are not aware about that this is going to be for 21 days. We face a lot of challenges during last 10-12 days what we have come till now. So normally what we do here, we keep a stock for almost 1 week, and that is how we manage our kitchen. But normally this lockdown was for 21 days, so it will be difficult for us also. And many suppliers, many vendors what we have, they started refusing many items. So they don't have stock, they can supply there. There are a lot of restrictions. But still somehow we have managed till now.
In the current situation of COVID-19, when I think about it, I really felt that we started this very good. Because in today's situation, when we have bachelors staying in Niku Homes who do not have any arrangement for food, when I say that, they do not have a kitchen setup, okay, and they had been dependent on the restaurants so far, which have stopped providing food or delivering food now, and as per the government guidelines, maybe they are not allowed, okay, but since Ghar Sa Khana is still home based within the society, it is allowed. So at least it is helping those bachelors, those families somehow, okay. So I really feel maybe in this situation Ghar Sa Khana is helping people.
That's about this, and just one message I can spread to the society. Please stay indoor. We are able to serve you whichever way we are supplying food or whatever service we can provide you. Stay indoor, don't come out. We are here to serve you. Thank you.
I'm Jyoti Rao here, and I'm an English language lecturer. I used to work in Saudi Arabia and previously in the Sultanate of Oman. And in June 2018, I came back to India and I have settled down in Bangalore here in Niku Homes. And I do freelancing for a company, and therefore I used to travel a lot before the COVID-19 shutdown lockdown started. And I used to enjoy traveling, and I also loved my work. And that was about nearly 20 to 25 days in a month I would be working, and sometimes away from home. And that did not give me much time to spend with my family and with my plants and whatever, and enjoy the surroundings of Bangalore. However, things have changed completely now that there is a lockdown. My work has come to a standstill. I don't go out anymore, and I don't stir out of the house much. That's my natural way of living. So COVID-19 has not affected me so far in that manner. However, work suffers. So that's a matter of concern. Still, I love the time that I have at home and the leisure that I'm enjoying, and the time I get to spend with my plants and see the blooms and the blossoms and the new growth, and sometimes the attack of pests. Life goes on. There are things that we need to change according to circumstances, and I'm pretty much at ease. I'm not really worried or thinking of doomsday or some such thing. I think enjoy life as it is and when and wherever it is possible. That's my motto. Thank you.